Hey, I'm going to be doing this quick box break of this Press Pass Legends. I'm not even sure what year this is. What year is this? I'm not sure, but you get one autograph or game used per box. I picked this up in my shop for about, I don't know, $14 or something. So, oh, there's a guy. Good knife. I think you only actually get one pack. Okay, you get a couple packs. 3 packs. Okay, so 3 packs, and that would be one hit per 3 packs, apparently. There's the auto right? No, it's not the auto. Okay, good. Cool looking cards. Pack 2. Numbered card, Prince Mukamara, numbered 63 of 250. Yeah, that's cool. So, should get a hit in here. Okay, a relic of Stephen Ridley. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.